Hello, my name is Brendan Jones, and this is week 7 of Jettisoned, my Capstone project. So in this week we did a good deal of audio integration, as you can see from the main menu, as well as some bug fixes to get everything running a bit smoother. So we have our awesome, fantastic menu music in the game, which is custom made for the game rather than previously when there was just a music file that I grabbed from Westar. So we hit play, we go into the game, and we've got our own fortification music. And as you can hear, there are sounds for when you put things in the game, as well as when you rotate. Also, when you place the option or the items in the game, you can see they actually go where you might expect them to, rather than off to the side like they did in the last game. So there are all kinds of walls. Traps have a different sound to accent that they are traps that are being placed and they will be invisible. We'll move this guy actually up here. Okay. So we're gonna go into the game. We have also another sound for when you step on a trap and it activates. So we stepped on the trap and the minigame activated, and now we have to get through without hitting the walls. Oh gosh. Ugh. Okay. And then for also when you disable something, there's that other noise. I believe it is for only when you disable traps. Yes, it is. Oh gosh, I hit another trap. I completely forgot I put that one down actually. Okay, so we have a few new assets gone in and we fixed a couple bugs. Whereas you could not place the trap, as well as another bug where you could actually move the objects that you were placing in fortification. We'll look at that actually real quick. I'll start that back up. Play. Before you could click on these and move them off screen because their colliders were active. In order to fix that bug, I just disable the colliders when they're put into this. As far as this bug with the placement, before I had their center point as the center of the object, and then they were built based off of that. So I adjusted the center point of the object to be the master tile essentially, which is this tile in this item, or in this item would be this tile. So that's all we have for this week. Next week we're going to make the big leap to multiplayer. So once we have multiplayer support, the other players should be able to join and we should be able to get an actual game. We should send across a map and get that going. As well as I'm going to add in a few more mini games, as well as a couple more items. So next week should be pretty big. I look forward to showing it to you. Real quick, we're going to go into the code for the audio. Real quick, in my global utilities, we have the audio manager. Our audio manager can go into anything, any class, so fortification logic, infiltration logic. I also have it on our tile objects. We have an audio source, which is a Unity audio source, that is given in this constructor, and then the person using it, or the class using it, would register the class with a string as an identifier, as well as a path for where to load it. And then lastly, all they have to do is say play sound. They can choose it as, once again, giving it the identifier and choosing whether it's looping or not. If we look in fortification logic, we're using it here, and the general use case is we create a new audio manager and we say register, and we give it these, or the path and identifier, and then we can just play it at any point by saying play. Right here, play sound rotate. So by creating a modular manager like this, it's really easy to set up different sounds for the game and play them actually really easily. So that's enough of our code review. Back into the game with our awesome music. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Have a good day.